Yo, it's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, today I want to, no, I'm not traveling. I'm not gonna go to the airport or anything. This is not a travel bag to go to the airport. Finna do a little something with Smoke today, getting them ready for the race event coming up. Gotta check that diet, see where that diet is, you know, see how he been over the winter times and so on, you know. We done did a little something, so we gotta do a little weight, you know, see what that weight diet is at, you know, see where he at with it. So that's what kind of pretty much what the video gonna be about today a little bit, you know, putting him on the scales and see where he at, you know. So I got my portable scale, wireless scales here. We're gonna check it out today and see where he at today, you know. So we see he need to get on a stricter diet. So definitely, so yeah, we're finna put him on the pro form there. Put him on that, you know, see where that weight is at, you know. So I got my scales here, my wireless scales. So, you know, we finna get him set up and see where he at there, and put him on the, you know, all four corners, and see where we at, and see what kind of improvement we need to try to get done to get him ready for race here for this summer. So yeah, so let me get the car summons over here and moved over here in the area. We're gonna get it set up and see what's up and make it work. So I'll be right back. And a matter of fact, yeah, I'll be back. Boom. Alrighty, so I got Smoke back in. So basically what I'm gonna do is gonna take each scale basically has its own identification to what point and corners of the car it goes on the wheel. And I love about these scales here. You know, like some people's scales, you know, if you know you have to jack the car up and so on, you know I got the jacks or the quick jacks or whatever, and I can do that as well. But also, these are designed so you can roll over. Only thing about this, I got to make sure, because last time, you know, I don't know if you probably see it you know, from the camera. I don't know if it's showing, but last time I used these guys in the garage here, and if you don't roll on it right, like you hesitate, and then the car like rock go forward, you try to come back, or the car gets stuck on the halfway, and you tap this jugger with all that torque, it sometimes it throws I had one that threw it up under there, you know, it threw the you know, it made the scale slide up under because that torque on that wheel. It hit and it kicked in. So for once, I want to make sure I got it in chill mode for once. But like I said, I love about these, as you can see, these are made to be it rolls on either way. You roll on these guys, which is a big help. So this one right here is the left front wheel over here. So what I like to do, remember I got to show, you know, what I like to do, and we know that the best rule of thumb, I say, like, this is the left rear. So what I've noticed, what works best, like this one right here is the right front. That's the right front, right? So that's the right front. So what I noticed, I keep them like I put it like at a nice good distance, give a little away from the tire, you know, about that much leeway. So that way when you gotta start rolling back, you can just get the car, and the car just go up on there instead of, you know, stop right there, then you touch it, then it slides out. So what I do is give it a little leeway about like that. I place it up under there about that much, and then I let the car roll back. So this is the right front. I stick it out about halfway. So about right there. And this one, and this is the right rear. They got this little, I should have did this at first, I forgot. You got the little on and off switch. You wanna, rule of thumb, you wanna turn these on first. You want to turn these on first before you turn the display pad on. So yeah, you want to turn these on first before you turn the display pad on. So yeah, just FYI. So if you know anybody, you know, running the ProForms, wireless weights, turn this on first, then do it. So I gotta pick it back up now because I forgot about that. But you got the on off switch right here, a little standby, off switch and the standby. So I'm gonna flip that on. It's gonna give a little light. It'll start flashing. So about right there is good. Alrighty, so, I need to find my pocket. So, all right, so now that I got all four corners of the pads on, now you can turn this on. It take a second for it to register. And as you can see, hope you can see that. Let me make sure. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, it's gonna take a second to load up. Bam. See? You want what you get all zeros. Of course you want to, I ain't gonna lie, I was kind of worried because the batteries just, I ain't have them, well I keep them in there for a while. I ain't used this thing almost over a year since I last weighed it. So I thought the battery was gonna kind of like corrode and do their thing, but it did do it on the one for the pad here, but I didn't keep it in here. It was just inside the thing, but there's some more cheap batteries. So I put the new ones in there though. But now I'm gonna do it from the back the car up. Back the car up on the pads there. I'm gonna get a reading. That's it. You can't see it now, but I have I'll show you in a second though. I'll take the camera off the pot. They're lit up, solid, meaning they're ready. Bam, they're lit up, they're ready. And as you can see, you see zeros. This is what I'm gonna mainly be looking for. But I like about this way set, it tell you each corner, so you can, you know, do what you gotta do. You can critique what you need to do for each corner or whatever, but then this is gonna be the total gross weight, so that way I can see what the gross weight is. And I don't mind sharing this today. I know my guy gonna get on my butt probably for kind of like showing where I'm at, but we're gonna do some other changes. Some more changes coming here soon on some things here. We're waiting on to come overseas. To make, maybe, you know, to save a little extra dye. So, hey, don't get on me, man. I know when you see this video, don't get on my butt because I ain't told you about it. But don't get on me. I'm talking about my crew guy. But yeah, I'll be right, back it up right quick. Alright, I got used to doing it one try, one take. Bam, bam, centered. It's centered. Bam, centered. Bam, centered. Centered on the weight. So I got a reading for all corners. So give it a second, it's loading up. And I'll show you what that is here in a second here. I'll be right back. I gotta get this phone call. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so like I said, you see each weight has the logo, I mean the light indicate which one is which. That means you're getting a solid reading. on all four corners. You see? Solid colors. I mean, the wireless, the batteries is good, and it's transmitting to the it's transmitting. So with my roll bar and so on in here, without me in the car yet, without my heavy stuff in there, so this is what the car is coming out to be. So right there, a whopping 5130, 5100 pounds. So there you go right there. You see it? 5134. That's without me sitting in the car. So we gotta, you know, try to work on maybe getting on a little diet as much as we can, because these cars are heavy. Like people, you know, even if you completely gut it all the way, it only makes a big, you know, it only makes so much of a difference, because we have done that already and tested and all that. So that's why we, unfortunately, been blessed to have the right people in our corner, the engineers that we know, you know. But hey, all four corners, and that's not without me sitting in there. So then I'm finna sit. That's why I call myself, I be saying I be gonna be on my race diet. So there, let me sit in there and see what it be with me in there. I probably don't want to show my weight, so let me sit in there right quick. All right, so yeah, there you have it. You see what Smoke pretty much weighed. We did the weigh in, so got to get them on a little diet, try to cut some corners. So that's what I try to tell people. They don't understand these cars are heavy, you know, because of the batteries and stuff, you know. But hey, it is what it is. You know, we like I said, we did some tests before. We had to completely gut it at one point, and it wasn't too much of a big difference. Then we did a run and so on. And so I kind of like my car to look nice inside still, instead of, you know, just a can, like a tin can, like some people doing around here, you know. Hey, I'm sorry, like I say, that ain't no shade, you know, because I say people got tin cans or whatever, basically, you know, when they run their cars or whatever, but you know, that, you know, to each his own, you know. But we just felt that it wasn't a need to completely gut the car, you know. Like I say, I'm full interior, rear seat delete for the ones that don't know. I got a roll bar in there and so on, so you know, that add weight as well. And then my fat self, you know, you know. So, but yeah, so there you go. Pretty much what we weighed in. So we're gonna try to find some, you know, see if we can cut some weight a little bit more, you know. And we probably got some in store, you know. Never, you know, you never know. So stay tuned. Definitely stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna be honest. We do got something in store. So I'm gonna be honest. I ain't gonna lie. We got something in store. So definitely stay tuned and catch us at the race and check out some of the other videos as well of the previous race. So you kind of do some comparison, you know, from then to versus now. But yeah, I loved it. I love doing stuff like this. This is like I said, this is racing is my therapy, you know, to get away from all, you know, things when I just want to get to the weekend and chill and relax. So hopefully we got an event coming up this weekend if the weather permits, you know. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you know. I'm gonna show some more stuff eventually soon, so stay tuned. Definitely subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to be notified, you know. And like I said, all right, hey, I'm finna drive off of them. Real simple and easy. When you just, you know, got a jacket up and that, just drive off, and that's it. Real simple and easy. Watch this. Just that simple. And like I say, remember, they say you're supposed to turn this off first before you turn the pads off. And the same thing, vice versa. Remember, turn these on first. Turn these on first before you turn the display on. But when you're done, the opposite. Turn that off first before you turn these off. It tells you that in the instructions, so just FYI. But yeah, this is just me demonstrating these ProForm pads, wireless, to see what smoke was at, and we gotta get on that dieting. Stay tuned for more. We got more to come, so definitely stay tuned. We gotta get them, see what we can do here and shave some of that weight off, and we just continue to check out some of the other videos as well of prior races before then and now, so you can see if you see a difference there as well. But I ain't gonna hold you longer. This video help you out. Hit the thumbs up. It helps the channel out. Help your boy out as well. And definitely don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy EvSmoke. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.